Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Dentistry. I am Dr. Kanwar Bir. Today I am going to tell you the list of various instruments that you will be buying for your first year of your dental school. As I have told you in my previous video that you will be doing your preclinical practical classes, and these are the instruments which you will be using during those classes. The first and the most important thing that you will be using for all your 4 years of your dental school is your Macintosh sheet. This is a rubber sheet which you will be spreading on your tabletop while working in a dental lab so as to keep your surroundings clean. The second instrument that you will be buying is your plaster spatula. This is a broad bladed spatula which is used to mix the plaster of Paris, which you will be using for making the casts for the fabrication of dentures. These plaster spatulas are of two types, the straight spatula and the curved spatula. The straight spatula, as the name suggests, has the straight blades, while the curved one is similar to the straight spatula, but the only difference is that the blades of this instrument is slightly curved, which will help in mixing the contents of a rubber bowl by pressing against the walls of the bowl, mainly used in mixing of the dental impression material called alginate. The next instrument which you will be buying is your plaster knife. This is another instrument used to handle plaster of Paris in your dental labs. Next important thing which you will be buying is your rubber bowls. This is a bowl made up of rubber which is elastic to some extent and helps in easy mixing of plaster of Paris as well as the alginate. Alginate is another kind of impression material. All these impression materials you will be studying in your dental material classes. The next instrument which you will be buying is your Siemens spatula. This is a clinical instrument which is used in your daily practice. It is a white bladed face with a long handle used to mix the liquid and the powder of your dental cements to get an appropriate mix. These cements are used to fill the prepared cavities of the tooth structure. Mainly all dental cements, they include two components, powder and the liquid. Next instrument which you will be buying is your plastic spatula. This is another kind of Siemens spatula only, which is used to mix the dental cement because few dental cements react with the metal. One such cement is your glass ionomer cement, also known as GIC. Again, about this cement you will be learning in your dental material classes. Next instrument is your glass slab. This is a flat surface slab made up of glass used to mix various dental cements. This is used throughout your dental practice. Next instrument which you will be buying is your lacquerance carver. It has a blade on one end and scoop like thing on the other. This is used to carve the structures of the permanent teeth in your first year and also used in your final year periodontics to carve the deciduous teeth. Apart from this, you will be carving dental anatomy during fabrication of your dentures. Next important thing is your stainless steel scale, used in measuring the dimensions of various wax carvings of your teeth and also plaster of Paris cubes while you are learning how to handle dental materials. Next important thing that you will be purchasing is your impression trays. These are metal or plastic trays which are used to carry impression materials into the mouth to take a good impression or the replica of your oral cavity. These are maxillary impression trays and mandibular impression trays. Maxillary impression trays are used to take the impression of your upper jaw, and the mandibular impression trays, these are used for your lower jaw. These are also perforated and non-perforated trays. While studying your dental prosthodontics, you will learn where these impression trays are used. The next is your hot plate. This is used in handling the wax in the fabrication of your dentures. In your preclinical prosthodontics, maxillary and mandibular rims are formed for preparing your dentures and the arrangement of your teeth. Next is your alcohol torch. It is used as a blowtorch to melt and control the shape and flow of wax while setting up the teeth for the fabrication of your dentures. The last thing which you will be buying is your wax spatula. This is used to carve the wax patterns which can be heated to soften the wax. These are all the instruments which are required to buy for your first year preclinical classes. For the rest of the years, I will be telling you simultaneously all the instruments which you are supposed to buy. Hope this video was useful for you. Thanks.